Center. Avalanche warning in effect 5 p.m. Saturday until 5 p.m. Monday. What? The avalanche danger is high or level 4 of 5. On Sunday and Monday. Where? The Park Range, Flat Top Mountains, Madison Bow Mountains, Never Summer Mountains, Front Range, Gore Range, Elk Mountains, Ruby Range, Mosquito Range, Sawatch Range, Grand Mesa, Northwest San Juan Mountains. When? In effect from 5 p.m. Saturday, January 13th until 5 p.m. Monday, January 15th. Impacts: heavy snow and strong winds have created very dangerous avalanche conditions. Large and dangerous avalanches will be very easy to trigger. Avalanches will run naturally. Precaution: preparedness actions. Travel in backcountry avalanche terrain is not recommended. Avoid travel on an underslope steeper than about 30 degrees. You can find more detailed information